So someone asked me recently that how long will he continue to earn from the content he posts on YouTube? Will it just be for 30 days? Will he just earn from it for just the duration of 1 year, or how long exactly? So to actually answer that question, I will show you around an old video of mine which I posted some years back, the analysis, the performance, and how the earnings has been so far, so you will properly understand how it works. So this is a video I uploaded even before I got monetized. So you need to understand that it was before I got monetized. That's 3 years ago. This video has given me 45.2 thousand views, 45k views over the duration of 3 years. And so the video got 183,000 impressions and I got 43,000 views, 45,000 views rather. That's not too bad, but it's not too encouraging, but it's not too bad. So I got most of them from YouTube search and all of that. Yeah, majorly from YouTube search. So for the engagement section, you can see that this video has given me 1.7k watch time. Now the minimum to get monetized on YouTube is 4,000 watch hours. Just one video has given me almost 2,000 watch hours. So if you do a good content that people are looking for and they watch it, just with 1 or 2 videos, you have hit your 4,000 watch hours. So go for quality content. Go for quality content if you really want to hit the minimum watch thresholds to get monetized on YouTube. Go for quality content that will solve problem. All right, and then finally, let me take you to the revenue section where I will show you what really happened. So far so good. This video has given me a whopping $10.33. Now, like I told you, I uploaded this video before I got monetized, and this video had gone viral before I got monetized. You need to understand that. So it's not the 43,000 views that gave me $10. All right. So the video had gone viral even before I got monetized. So it was after I got monetized, they now started paying me for those that started watching the video after that period of time of monetization. So assuming I uploaded this video after monetization, man, I would have made a lot of money from this video alone. So but that's not bad. I'm not feeling bad actually. It's just a call to keep making quality content that will meet people's needs. Now this video is about how to buy and sell coins. So it's many people come into trading, they don't know how to buy, they don't know how to sell. So this has actually helped a lot of people, which I'm happy for, because I'm always happy when I'm able to help people out, when I'm able to solve people's problems. So for the period of time that I got monetized, this tutorial guide has given me $10.33, which I'm very grateful for. I'm very grateful for this. And for every 1,000 views, I'm getting $0.23. That is 23 cents. Okay, 23 cents. The RPM is actually low. It's quite low compared to other videos, but I mean, it's not bad. If this video keeps doing well, I will continue making my money from this video. So the bottom line is keep uploading even before monetization. If you are yet to be monetized, just keep making good content. All right, a day will come that you start making money from all those videos you posted before you got monetized. So that's the reason why I'm sharing this. Don't feel that, oh, let me wait until I get monetized before I'll start making good content, before I'll start making quality content. No, you're losing money. You're actually losing money. If I had not made this video before monetization, I would have gotten $10. Wow, that's a prophecy actually. I would have made $10 now. All right, so use this as a reference to start making your own videos. Start creating content. Start now. Do not procrastinate. Start now. Do not procrastinate. In my next video, I'm going to be sharing how you can get your 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers very fast on YouTube so that you can get monetized, because that's a major concern for many content creators on YouTube that are not yet monetized. Is a big concern, and I'm going to be sharing some tips that will help you attain your 4,000 watch hours quickly and 1,000 subscribers. So if you are new to this channel, you haven't subscribed, kindly hit on that subscribe button, because I'm going to be bringing you many tips that will help you grow your YouTube channel and start earning on YouTube. My name is 𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪, and thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.